A very warm morning to all of you. I'm Sweta and today I'm present at the Rascal Spoken English Center taught by Mr. Vikram sir. And today I have a great topic about why FIR filed against megastar Amitabh Bachchan. The MLA BJP in Maharashtra on Tuesday approached a police to take action against the megastar Amitabh Bachchan and maker of the TV show Kaun Banega Crorepati 12 for hurting the sentiment of Hindus. And Abhimanyu Pawar, BJP legislator from Osa in Latur district, complained to SP Nikhil Pingal, and SP Nikhil Pingal said action should take against megastar Amitabh Bachchan and Sony Entertainment Televisions. So SP take action against the mega star Amitabh Bachchan on Friday on Karamveer special episode, and there is an attempt to insult the Hindu and the Buddhist religions and create quarrels between the Hindu and Buddhism which has living in harmony. And the question, what was the question asked by the Nikhil Pingal? The question is that the episode has social activist Vizwara Wilson and actor Anup Soni had seated opposite the Bachchan and who asked the following question worth rupees 6,40,000. And the question was, in 25th December 1927, the B.R. Ambedkar and his followers which scriptures books like burnt these books. Then the first option is the Vishnu Puran, and the option B is the Bhagavad Gita, and option C is the Rig Veda, and option D is the Manusmriti. Then board had given the answer about the Manusmriti, which was the right answer, and then Bachchan said in 1927 the B.R. Ambedkar convict the ancient Hindu text which is Manusmriti, and it justify ideologically the caste discrimination and the untouchability, so he burnt the books. But what was the objection of Pawar? Then all the four options related and belongs to the Hindu religions. It's clear that behind the motive of these questions were to main sentiment of the Hindus religions. In fact, the Pawar said in his first statement that this question spread the message the Hindu religions scriptures was meant for burn and triggers dislike between the Hindus and the followers of the Buddhism. But what is Manusmriti? Manusmriti is usually means the code of Manu, and it literally means the reflection of Manu, and it represents itself as a code of conduct and as a document that considered and organizes like a code of conduct for a human society. And it was brought in 1800 years ago. It means in a 280. And over this period, what happened? Over this period, the many of the yajna based Hinduism like the Vedic present, in fact, is transformed into the temple based the Puranic Hinduism. And the origin of this Manusmriti is attributed to Brahma, who is the creator and who passed it on the first human, who is Manu, and who passed it on the first teacher, who is Rigu, and who passed the other sages. And every assumes that the Manusmriti is the law books of the Hinduism. In fact, something the Sharia present, which is for the Muslims and Constitution of India, and Manusmriti is mainly based on the code of conduct, and I will just assumes that yeah, it's based on the Buddhism, and also maybe the other upper caste communities present, which is the like mainly the kings. In fact, there is a nearly 2,500 verses, the more than 1,000 of for a Brahmins and more than 1,000 for the statecraft kings and the governance. In fact, there is only two present, which is the Vaishyas and the two for the Shudras, and also its focus was not on the entire society. In fact, what happened the Brahmins and the relationship with the kings. But here one question arising that why B.R. Ambedkar burnt the Manusmriti. Then B.R. Ambedkar contains and advocate the Brahmacharya Dharma, where the whole society was split in four groups, which is the Brahmins, Kshatriyas, or Sudras and Vaishyas, and it is these all are the Varnas but not a caste. And in that we can say that every Varnas has its own responsibilities and duty towards the each Varnas which is the remaining, and the ever social activist and the social system worked as well for the ages, and by many evils will decreep in the system, and which happened which made the life of the Sudras desirable. And after that, the B.R. Ambedkar belongs to the Mahar caste, which is untouchables and the lower caste. But historically, the Mahars was considered as the untouchables, and the lived outskirts of the villages where the works related to the villages peoples included in the watchman and the trackers of the viewers and messenger, etc. In 1927, it was started with a peace satyagraha in 1927 within Mahars, in fact in coastal Maharashtra, where the upper caste denied the access to water from a tank, and after that the upper caste filed a case multiple cases against the Brahmins, and which is the lower caste. In fact, in that we can say that the many of the castes like against arguing that yes, the access of a tent, it was a private property, so that's why it could be restricted, and that the B.R. Ambedkar was given the opinion that yeah, this Manusmriti is the origin of all these social evils, so he burned the books. So guys, we will continue with next video. Thank you.